I'm Chef Ella, and welcome to my kitchen. Today, what I'm going to prepare for you are my version of chicken and waffles. It's one of my kids' all-time favorite. First, we're going to start with the batter. You can use any type of cake mix that you want, red velvet cake mix, and that's just one package. To that, we're going to add 2 cups of milk. This is one. We're going to add just a teaspoon of vanilla. It's optional. Just eyeball it. And 4 eggs. And we're just going to give this a quick whisk. Now that we have the batter mixed up, we're just going to let that sit for a minute, and we're going to start on our chicken. We're going to go ahead and start with the chicken. What we have here is 2 eggs, a half a cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of hot sauce, and we let this sit. We're going to dip our chicken in our flour mixture, which is just onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, and a little accent. And we're just going to fry these. And we're going to get this in our grease that's heated to 350 degrees. I'm going to go ahead and drop these. We're going to go ahead and get this batch out. Just drain it. And fry these. Now we're going to get the other batch poured up. Okay, now we're going to start on the waffles. We're just going to add about a scoop in the center. And just a little more. We're just going to close that down. Now we have our waffle done. We're going to go ahead and plate this up. We have our waffles, red velvet waffles. And we're going to serve this with a cream cheese glaze. And all this is 4 tablespoons of butter, 4 ounces of cream cheese, 1½ cups of confetti sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and a half a cup of milk. You just mix it together. And we're just going to top it with some of this. And we're also going to top it with some raspberries. Chocolate chips. And we're going to go ahead and place our chicken. And here you have it, my version of chicken and waffles. Cajun fried chicken with red velvet waffles, topped with raspberry and chocolate chip morsels. Bon appetit. Until next time, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.